reviews.
I think that this is a really great palm sander for beginners and also people who may be a little bit more experienced with using palm sanders. Hi, my name is Xavier Perry Art. I'm an artist and I'm here with the Desire Company. And today we'll be going over my Ryobi Palm Sander. So this palm sander I've been using for about 4 to 5 years. I personally have used it for a couple of different coffee tables. I've also used it to sand down steps at home for remodeling. For me, I really like the triangle shape to it because you can really get into the grooves of your project and you don't have to worry about missing any small areas. The sandpaper at the bottom can be peeled off using the Velcro. And say for instance, if your paper is running low, you can flip the triangle to another side that may have a better grit surface. What I do like is that it has a bag on the end of it to catch any excess, such as like sawdust or any particles that will be harmful for you to breathe. I would recommend this palm sander to anyone who may be doing at-home projects, on the job projects, or anyone who may be into arts and crafts. It's lasting for a very long time now, which leads me to believe that this is a really great brand, and I think that it will work for an additional 4 to 5 years.